So today I came across something I thought people might find interesting. It's a Bicentennial phone, Payphone, and I picked it up at the thrift shop today. And I thought at first when I looked at it that it was something someone had painted after the fact and maybe ruined a perfectly good payphone. But apparently, after I did a little more research on it, this is something that the Bell Telephone did with their payphones during the Bicentennial year, 1976. May have started in 75, I don't know, but they pulled either, I don't think all their payphones, but certainly some number of payphones, maybe things in a notable spot, and they brought them in and painted them this red, white, and blue motif. And this one's not in too bad a shape. And when I first saw it, I thought, oh, someone did this kind of just as a joke or something for their basement or something. And you can kind of feel the paint lines where they had taped it off and painted it and stuff. But this is something they did, Bell Telephone did as a part of the celebration of the Bicentennial. And so these were phones of various vintages. Obviously it's a rotary dial. And when the Bicentennial was over, they apparently then again pulled them back and repainted them the traditional Bell Telephone colors. So this style of phone is somewhat rare, and I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and sell it, but I'll sell it as is and not try to do anything else to it. I can't test it or anything. It doesn't have any keys, so I can't open it up to do anything inside. It's got the, I'll call it the traditional phone plug, so it could plug into someone's wall socket if you had your system set up to accept that. One thing that's kind of odd was it was attached to this wooden shelf bracket thing, and it's not screwed in from the back anywhere. So that means that this bracket, that the mounting bracket is actually attached to the piece of wood, which isn't, since I don't have the keys and you couldn't take this off that back plate anyway, maybe kind of makes sense, because then it'll be a little bit more, you can put it somewhere and have some kind of a, framing look to it, instead of just having a phone sitting there that you can't do anything with as far as mounting it. So I guess that kind of works. I threw a few coins in there, didn't make any sound. I'm guessing that you have to have this thing powered up and plugged into the system for it to be fully functional. And like I said, I don't have the keys, so I can't really do anything else with this. It's got the coin return, coin release. And this is the original handset. Well, I'll say original, but it is a Bell System property. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you really, really enjoyed it, please subscribe. And I hope to have more of these videos out in the future of some interesting items I come across. So thank you very much for watching.